Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you suffering from the weak Wi-Fi signal in all over your home since few days? Then don't worry, today we will solve this problem. In today's video we will learn how to factory reset Victony AC1200 Extender in very easy steps. So without wasting any time, let's start the reset process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the extender. It is necessary to reset the Victony AC1200 Extender when it faces issues like weak signals, connection drops, or misconfigured settings. A reset clears all old configurations, forgotten passwords, and network errors, restoring the device to its factory defaults. This ensures you can set it up again from scratch for smooth and stable Wi-Fi performance. Now plug the Victony AC1200 into power and make sure it's turned on. The reset process writes and erases stored settings in memory, so the unit must be powered. Look on the back or underside for a small recessed hole labeled Reset. It's recessed to avoid accidental presses. The recessed button triggers the hardware factory reset routine. Use an unfolded paperclip, straighten pin, or SIM eject tool. Don't use excessive force. Insert the tool and press firmly, holding the button for about 8 to 12 seconds, commonly 10s, until you see a change in the LED behavior. LEDs will typically blink, go out then come back, or the power LED will flash. Then release the button. After you release the button, the unit will restart itself. Let it finish its boot sequence. You'll see LEDs change from flashing to their normal steady/operating pattern. Now reset process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.